Lake Corriher is located on Kimball Road, China Grove, North Carolina. Our original plan was to go to Lake Norman, but we remembered this place, so we decided to come here. It was actually closer. It's about 10 or 15 minutes from where we were at, and that saved us a lot of time. So here we are walking on the trail from the first lake to the second lake. We passed an information station that had a bathroom, it had AC, it was kind of like a little gift shop. There's a bedrock area that kids can climb and play on. And this trail that I'm walking on, you can actually drive a car to the cabins, but you can't park here for legal purposes. This is the second lake. It has a walkway that takes you to the other side, and the other side is basically just more trails.
Sad. Maybe it's just his time to go. Probably he's so old. He's not alive anymore. Got the water, Johnny. I bet in the spring and fall there'll be a whole bunch on the edges because when Sam lived in Monroe, they had a lake.
Let's go.
There, you went with us once or twice with Ashley.
Here we go.
We're going this way. We're going to go play at the beach. We just want to get you that.
So you can sort of see two cabins. Well, there's one cabin you can kind of see. They do let you rent boats, paddle boats, kayaks. You can bring your own. It's about $5 for the whole day, and I think $3 to fish. Otherwise, you do pay $5 for the whole day to fish there. And that's the kayaks that you could rent. It's locked up, so they would have to come and unlock it for you. And that's the motored boat that he was talking about. I think it's about $30 to rent. And then you also got to rent the battery. Some of his eye out.
All right, thank you very much.
All that is.
I think that's good. Yeah.
Here's one of the cabins. The window's cracked open just a little bit. Has a lock. Has a picnic table. Some water if you need it. Garbage. Got scrubs. Scrub so you can keep it clean. It's like a Jurassic Park.
Yeah.
I'm right behind you. Go grab that.
So this is Lake Corriher. It's in, I think, Landis or Salisbury. We're at the second lake, the bigger lake. The bigger lake has a long walkway. You can get across all the way on the other side, and then there's more hiking trails for you to go to. Let's go explore. Let's go check things out. So this was Lake Corriher. I hope you enjoyed the video. If any information is wrong, I'll put it down in the information below.